Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to Unacademy platform guys. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question from CAT 2019 guys. So this was the actual question that has been asked in the CAT 2019 guys, and we are going to have a detailed solution of this question in this video guys. So in fact students, this question was very easy. In fact, in the recent year from this topic time and distance, this was the easiest question that has been asked. Okay, so let's read the question first, guys. Just try to understand what question wants to say. A two car travels the same distance starting at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. respectively. So it means what, beta? Second car is starting 1 hour later than the first car. Okay, on the same day. It is quite obvious. On the same day, they reach their common destination. They reach their common destination at the same point of time. If the first car traveled at least 6 hours, then the highest possible value of the percentage by which the speed of second car could be exceed that of the first car is. So now students, let's have some cases, guys. Let's have the first case. In the first case, when the first car travel started at 10 a.m. beta, so let's assume the speed of first car was x kilometer per hour, and the speed of second car was y kilometer per hour. Okay students, let's assume like this. Students, this first car will take at least 6 hours to cover the distance. So you will say time for the first car, it can be 6 hours, it can be 7 hours as well, because it is at least 6 hours. So the time can be more than 6 hours as well. So for better understanding, we can have 7 hours, 8 hours as well. So let's have the minimum limit, that is 6 hours. So for the first car, the speed is x kilometer per hour, and the distance will be covered by the first car in 6 hours, guys. So do you agree with me? We all know that distance equal to speed into time. Yes or no, guys? So you will say distance covered by the first car will be equal to x into 6, because x is the speed and 6 is the hours. So you will say, according to my first case, 6x must be the total distance. They reach their common destination, and they are starting from the same point, beta. Okay, two travels travel the same distance. First of all, distance is same, beta. First of all, distance is same. So in the second case, guys, do you agree with me, guys? If the second car is starting 1 hour later, it means second car has taken 1 hour less than the first car, and they are reaching the destination at the same time, same point of time. It means first car will take 6 hours, second car will take 5 hours only, because now second car will take 1 hour less than the first car. So you will see the distance covered by the second car will be 5y. So now we know that 6x will be equal to 5y, because both the distance are same. So 6x will be equal to 5y, yes or no, guys? So let's have this beta. If we have come to know 6x equal to 5y, then you will say x upon y will be equal to what, students? 5/6 only. Yes or no? तो आप बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट यहाँ कि अगर x मतलब स्पीड ऑफ फर्स्ट कार अगर आपका 5p था, तो स्पीड ऑफ सेकंड कार आपका 6p होना चाहिए. Yes or no, guys? So now the speed of second car is increased by p. So you will say p upon what is the percentage increment? P by 5p into 100. So on solving this हमें क्या मिल रहा होगा स्टूडेंट्स? हमें मिल रहा होगा 20%, और 20% ही इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर होगा. स्टूडेंट्स बोलेंगे सर एक दिक्कत आपको यहाँ, आप ऐसा भी सोच सकते थे गाइस, हो सकता है आप थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाए कि एटलीस्ट 6 आवर बोला है. चलो आप कोई बात नहीं, इसको 6 आवर ना लेके आप इसको 7 आवर ले लें. अगर ये 7 आवर लेगा स्टूडेंट्स, तो क्या उस केस में डिस्टेंस 7x आएगी, और अगर ये 7x ले रहा है तो उससे 1 आवर कम T2 लेगा, 6 आवर लेगा केवल, और इस केस में ये डिस्टेंस 6y आ जाएगी. तो आप बोलोगे 7x मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 6y. So x upon y must be equal to 6 by 7, guys. So here you will get what beta? If the initial speed was, if the speed of first car was 6p, then the speed of second car must be 7p. Now it has been increased by p, guys. So p upon original speed of first car was 6p only into 100. On solving this आपको मिल रहा होगा 16 2/3%, guys. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है आपसे? क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है? The highest possible value of the percentage, the highest possible value. जैसे जैसे आप 6 आर को आगे लेके जाएंगे बच्चों, आपका डिफरेंस 1 आर का सेम रहेगा. अगर आपने 7 आर मान लिया तो वो 6 आर आ रहा होगा. 7 आर अगर फर्स्ट कार का टाइम है तो सेकंड कार का 6 आर होगा. अगर आप 8 लेते तो सेकंड कार का टाइम 7 आर आ जाता. 12.5% डिक्रीमेंट आया था. तो मैक्सिमम हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल वैल्यू जो पॉसिबल है बच्चों, यहाँ हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल वैल्यू जो पॉसिबल है वो 20% ही पॉसिबल है. तो option A is the correct answer, guys. Option A is the correct answer, guys. So students, we will meet in the next class with some more amazing concepts and questions. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much, guys.